Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today we'll be reviewing the Perma Pen from Perma Blend, created in collaboration with Microbeau. This is actually the first ever permanent makeup machine created by Perma Blend, so let's take a closer look. Designed for PMU artists worldwide, the Perma Pen does not compromise on power and helps artists to create high quality results with every treatment. Weighing in at only 88 grams, this machine is extremely lightweight. The ergonomic design makes it easy to grip and comfortable to use, even during longer PMU procedures, reducing the risk of any strain on the hand or wrist. The lightweight design enhances control, which allows the artist to implant pigment with maximum precision. It comes with a click grip adjustment, allowing you to tailor the treatment to suit each individual client. The 2.7mm stroke length also makes this machine suitable for all skin types and multiple PMU treatments. The Perma Pen is PMU pigment optimised, meaning it helps artists to create the best results possible on every client. The RCA connection of the Perma Pen is compatible with most traditional or wireless power supplies on the market, such as the Critical Atom X, which we have here. For more freedom, artists can pair the Perma Pen with the Airbolt from Microbeau to work from any location within their clinic. At Killer Beauty, we provide the option to purchase the Perma Pen in a bundle with an RCA cord and wireless Airbolt power supply. This machine is compatible with any universal style PMU cartridges, so you can pair it with your current favourite brand, and you are free to try and test any new brands of cartridges with the Perma Pen. The Perma Pen also comes in two chic colours, Pink Icon and Supreme Silver. If you want to get your hands on the first ever PMU machine from Perma Blend, you can find the link to order from Killer Beauty in the description below. If you have already tried the Perma Pen, leave us a comment below and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.